Hey everybody, it's been a really long time since I've done a video and I thought why not do it while I have this mask on my face. This is the Ateez gel mask. I've never used it before. I did use a gel mask yesterday and I really liked it, so I'm going to do another one. But today I want to show you all of my K-pop albums. I have really gotten into K-pop within the last couple of weeks. It all started when I went on vacation to my sister's, who is obsessed with K-pop, and for months I kept telling her no, I will not listen to it. But I'm gonna tell you, I didn't realize there were a few songs that I already listened to that were K-pop. The song Touch by, or is it Untouch? It's a Katseye song. I didn't know that, and I didn't realize BTS. Okay, this is gonna bother me with the top lip. What if I just talk like this? Anyway, I didn't realize BTS was K-pop. How did I not know that? I have no idea. But I have put in a lot of money into K-pop albums and I am addicted. I need to like cut back because I have no money, okay? But I'm gonna show you everything. I don't know if I'll go in depth, but I'm just gonna show like a general like, oh, look at my collection. So starting right off the top, I have some things separated. Like this is all of my 17 and a few Stray Kids photo cards. I have them in a box because I don't have a binder yet, but I have sleeved all of my photo cards. So this I got from the 17 Daredevil one. My sister was like, you need to show me immediately who you get, because she wanted, I don't know the names. I'm gonna be honest, I am learning the names. It is really hard to keep track of everything or everyone from each group. I am trying. I am not good with names to begin with, so when it comes to bands, why? I don't know. But I thought this was really cool. It came with a little album, and then I put all the photos in here, and then I did put his photo cards, or the photo cards. But this is from 17. This is the Daredevil one. My sister got me some Stray Kids albums, but here are the photo cards from those albums. My bias is Han, and the only thing I have of Han is this. But I don't know, Lee No is a little cutie. And I like this. I like how they have like the back, and I do like the backs of the cards. I think they're really cute. In here is all of 17. Like I have so many albums, and I have them separated with little post-it notes so that when I put them in an album, I kind of want to get out my label maker and write their names out. Their happy birthday came with this little tag thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I like how it came with these little photo things. Yeah, those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then there were scratch offs, and I only scratched off like the heads. I don't know, I was just like, let's see who this is. I was on video chat with my sister. Honestly, every time I buy one, I get on video chat with my sister. But yeah, I don't know who is who. I'm sorry, I'm trying. The only way I know who is who is because I have post-it notes. Some band, they have like 9, 10 members. Like I believe NCT, like I listen to them and they have like what, 23 people? How am I supposed to remember 23 names? So I know this is Dino, and I have 3 of the same. I have 3 of these. I do have one for sale on Mercari because I have 3. I don't need 3. But look at this. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. My bias. 100%. Here is Mingyu. I think that's how you say it. This is my sister's bias. That's who she was hoping the Daredevil version was, but it wasn't. I can't remember who it was. I'll have to ask her. And then I'll just go through the photo cards real quick, and then I'll show you the albums. Here's Hoshi and a little sticker, so I just put a sticker on the top so I remember. But here are his photo cards. There's a lot of Hoshi, because I have a lot of albums. Because there's the BSS Teleparty, the Happy Birthday, and then the Hoshi and Woozi album, their first single album. But yeah, I really like this picture. It reminds me of Harley Quinn. This one's cute. Little top hat. Disco. I'm not going to say the name and mess it up, but here's this guy. Good with names. Oh, here's him. He's also part of the Teleparty one. The 8. That's who this is. That's who the Daredevil version was. It was the 8. And there's Joshua. I say Joshua like that from Friends. Remember when Rachel was dating that Josh guy and she kept saying, Joshua. Say Wanwoo. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to correct me and please don't be mean. I'm trying. But cutie pie. Here's Scoops. I only have one of Scoops. A lot of people have him as a bias. And I can see he's adorable. 3 of DK. Yeah, well, this isn't a photo card. I can't remember what it is. These are photo cards. But because he's part of the Teleparty one, I have a little sticker. The rest are Woozy, and I have a lot of him because he was in like, yeah, I have 4 from the Happy Birthday collections, and then this is from the Hoshin Woozy one. So I have that one and that one. So 2 peace signs. This is adorable. And then there's this one. All of the other stickers. And this box is mainly my Twice collection. All of the photo cards. I have every version of the new This Is 4. Except for like the little digipacks. I don't have all of those. So these are my... Let me separate them because I have a Sui. Okay. So these are all the ones from the This Is 4. I can't remember what ones they came with other than these are from the little digipack I have, which I'll be showing you. And then this is from the confetti version. Still learning names, but luckily they have their names on some of them. I still just don't know how to pronounce them, but they're all freaking beautiful, every single one. I think this is Sui. I think that's what my sister said, so I'm gonna trust her. My brother-in-law is obsessed with Twice, so he knows all the names. So I have them separated by like kind of outfits. So these are the ones where I have them all wearing blue shirts. Because there is a blue album. And their names, yeah, their names are on the back. I also love how personalized they are. Then here are the outdoor pictures. Okay, this is Geo. I don't know. I like her. She's so beautiful. Like when I look at the posters, my eyes just go to her. Like she's beautiful. I'm gonna say she's my bias. Here's Sui. There's her. And her. I love her hair. Okay, her hair is so flowy. I love her hair too. Beautiful. I have 3 of the same again, so I'm gonna put one up on Mercari to sell, probably about $5. So I'll have it linked below. Same with that Dino one. But yeah, this is Neon. This is my brother-in-law's favorite. Like this is his bias. He loves her. I can't remember what album this is from, and I don't know if I should put her with the outdoor pictures or with the office pictures, because here are the office ones. And then yeah, of these. And then I got 3 of these. They all came in the bigger albums. There she is again. Love her. And then each of them came with these. They're all 9. I think that's what my sister said. They're called all 9s. It's a picture from each album, and it has every member. They're not like the official photo cards, I'm guessing. I'm not gonna go through them right now. I might do that in a separate video. The confetti one came with this cute photo book. Like, it's so cute, and it's so little. It's adorable. And then the confetti one came with this. I was gonna keep everything together in the album, but I want to put these into a book. Oh yeah, this also was in the confetti, and these were in the confetti. Now, I bought the Sui album. I think that's how you say it. My sister said it was Sui, but I don't know. Because it starts with a T, I don't know. But anyway, these are her photo cards from that album. Look at her hair. Her hair is so pretty. And then it came with like this creepy one that kind of reminds me of The Grudge, so I kind of put her in the bottom of the box because I can't look at that. It just reminds me of The Grudge. And then I have a 50/50 album. These are the photo cards it came with. My friend Aubrey bought me an Aespa one, and these are the photo cards I got in it. Now on the albums, I'm not gonna open them. I'm just gonna show you the albums. Here's my first stack. Obviously, I just showed you this one. This is the 17 Happy Birthday one, the Daredevil version. This is the cute, this is for confetti version from Twice, and you think there wouldn't be a CD. You get 3 little mini CDs. And then I got a little Digipack one. That's what it looks like. I took everything out. I mean, there's like a poster in there, and then this side has the CD. Here is my Sui one. This is what the whole thing looks like. This is so pretty. And then here are the different versions of the This Is For. One is like this, the other is, and the other is For. But I can't remember which order it goes in. But here they are. Blue, regular, and green. Do I need 5 CDs of the same music? Yes, I do. Because that's what you get when you get these, plus this, and plus this. They're all the same discs. But it's different photo cards and like different little Polaroids. Next up, I have P1 Harmony, which the photo cards are still in here. So I'll show you those because I didn't want to mix them up with my 17. So here's Intact. This is their Duh album. This is Theo. I don't know. I call him Banana Boy. I don't know. I just think it's funny because there's a banana and there's banana on the back, so I just call him Banana Boy. Intact, and I can't remember. I asked my sister this morning and I really can't remember. It comes with these. Once I get my albums, I'm gonna film setting up my albums because I want to make inserts because I want to keep them separated. Like I want to like start collecting. And there's a poster. CD is in the back. Guys, these can come out. I'm not going to. I'm going to keep them in there. But here are the pictures. Just quickly. 2 Stray Kids albums that my sister got me. Pictures. Here's one. Aww. So this one has the song Walking on Water, Unfair, Hold My Hand by Han. I love that song. Here is my 17 one, Hoshi and Woozy. It says their first single album, which I kept the pictures in here, but I already showed you the photo cards. This one I didn't show you the photo cards. This is Jin from BTS. This was my first K-pop album that I bought. This holds a special place in my heart. Here are his photo cards. And I'm so excited because they're all back together. Gonna be dropping an album next year and I can finally buy it. Here's Jin. When I first got this, I sat here for 2 days just listening to a CD. I bought a CD player for all these because I don't have one. So I have my Ateez albums. So this is their last album. You get like these little photo cards with it. Not photo cards, you get these, but they're like separate. They're not like a book. But then their CD that has, I believe it has Lemon Drop on it. This little bin with their photo cards. I'm trading with some people, so I have sticky notes on some of them. I have a couple Mingy cards. Like this one I'm giving to my sister. But she's sending me Stray Kids ones, so it's an even trade. I have San. And then I don't know what these are. I can't remember what she said they were. But they have like the little squares. So I feel like she says I'm on a keychain, but I could be wrong. I have another Mingy. I also don't know all the names. Please don't come at me. Another Mingy. Why do I always pull Mingy? And then another one of those. I'm not sure what they are. I have 2 Polaroids. I believe this is Seonghwa, and is this Hongjoon? I think it's Hongjoon. I'm trading this one for an Wooyoung card. And I'm trading both of these for 2 San cards. Guess San and Wooyoung are my favorites. But those are all the photo cards from like all the albums for Ateez. I have these also. This is like their newest album. Here is every happy birthday album. This was like their mini one. Oh, new birthday version. New myself version, and then the biggest one was new escape version. I still have all the pictures in here. I haven't taken anything out. I will do an unboxing or like a little video. I'm just kind of showing an overview of everything. Here is Katseye, Beautiful Chaos. The only song I don't like is Gnarly. I'm sorry, I can't get onto it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Here is my Teleparty one, and it comes with a cute photo book, and like look at this pin. It comes with a pin. That is so cute. Here's the Aespa one that my friend Aubrey got me. I was really excited. First of all, anyone to buy me an album because they're $30? Like what? What? This about a week ago. But this is Jisoo. Oh! Aww. Good thing I sleeved the photo cards and put them back in there because I just dropped this. These are the photo cards it came with. I believe she's from Blackpink, which I like Blackpink. But anyway, it comes with like more pictures. It comes with a Polaroid. I'm telling you, these little Polaroids, they are so cute. I miss Polaroid cameras. I think they still make them, so I'm gonna buy one because I like them. There's little like, they look like postcards. They're so cute. I cannot wait to get my albums around. Then I had 50/50. I showed you their photo cards earlier, but that came with a lot of cute things. Like they have a giant photo book, but then this is what the photo cards came in, all protected, and then they have like little stickers, and they have it in this cute pouch. Here's the CD. This has like all the songs, I think, but then like, oh, and then a poster. But anyway, those are all my K-pop albums, and I really enjoyed going through this with you. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I will be doing more makeup videos. I've just been, I don't know, I've been here and there with everything, but I'm slowly getting back to who I am. So starting with K-pop. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Bye.